Hi there. Today we will discuss a topic of the core of translation studies, transformation in translation, and the types of transformation that emerge from various linguistic and cultural challenges. In the field of translatology, the scientific study of translation, the concept of transformation refers to the changes a translator which makes when moving a message from one language to the other or into another. These changes can be grammatical, lexical, semantic, or cultural in their nature. Translation is not just about substituting words. It's about transferring meaning while preserving tone, intent, style, and function, and often requires transformation. Okay, let's see the objectives and discuss the rubrics of this mini lecture. There are three main issues in translation activity which I have chosen to deliver and to share with during this important lecture. The first that we will deal with in this lecture stands out as transformation techniques. Then we can discuss about translation transformations. While speaking about translation transformations, we can distinguish various transformation types which can be used or applied in translation activity while transferring the meaning from the source text into the target text, such as grammatical transformations, lexical or semantic transformations, complex. In the complex transformations, we can distinguish or can explain and explore both lexical and grammatical transformations. And the last issue of this lecture will be complex transformations. So let's see and explore the transformation techniques and translatology. In order to translate a text, the translator uses a different script from one language to another. So as to give the proper translation, accurate translation, a translator or the interpreter may either replicate the original script using the characters of the source language or modify it through adaptation. So here, the main techniques which translators can use while having the translation process. And this is about transcription. Transcription or copying the sound form of the word in the original language using the letters of the translated language. For example, eau de cologne in the translation into the target text or as a target phrase, eau de cologne. Anchorage, it is the name or the state name in the US, translated into the Uzbek language as Anchorage. Oakland from the English is translated as Oakland. So if you see the examples from the Uzbek language or the names of the cities in Uzbekistan, in the Uzbek language it is Bukhara, which can be translated as Bukhara in the English language. Khorazm can be translated as Khorazm. Khiva as Khiva. So we can see the double letter. So double letter is about the letter combination, and the letter combinations such as K and H. So this is about the one example or the sample of transcription technique. Then we can see the other technique, which is named transliteration. So transliteration, it is the transference of letters of the original language with the letters of the translation language in another system. Like London in the English language, when we translate into the target language, it is translated like London. Washington in the source text, and it is translated as Washington in the Uzbek language.